Relative clause and conditional sentence can level up your writing. To write complex and compound sentences can be difficult and confusing, but I got you covered. Check out this sketch between relative clause and conditional sentence. You'll get to know when and how to use these two grammar items. But first of all, see how they met. As the two grammar items sat down at their table, they couldn't help but feel a bit nervous. They were about to get to know each other and see if they could work well together. Hi, I'm relative clause. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm conditional sentence. Nice to meet you too. So, tell me, what brings you here? Well, I'm here to see if I can find someone compatible. I'm looking for someone who can help me create complex sentences and improve my client's writing. Ah, I see. I can definitely do that for you. I'm all about adding extra information to sentences. And what do? Well, I'm a type of sentence that expresses a condition, sometimes even hypothetical situations, and its results. For example, if it rains, I will stay home. Ah, I can see how we could work well together. You know, we both add a bit of complexity to sentences. I'm a type of clause that provides additional information about a noun or pronoun in a sentence. For example, the book, which was written by J.K. Rowling, it's my favorite. That's interesting. How do you work? Well, I have a team of special ops. They're called relative pronouns like who, whom, whose, that, or which. And then they will team up with their mates, a verb, to create a dependent clause that provides extra information about a noun or pronoun. I see. I'm just a two-man band. I'm the if clause. I set up a condition, and then my mates add a main clause that provides the result or consequence of that condition. That's cool. I think we could work well together. We both help make sentences more complex and interesting. Yes, I agree. We both have different ways of doing it. And with us, our clients can improve their writing and make their sentences more sophisticated. Definitely more interesting and nuanced. It's important to know when and how to use us correctly though. For example, I'm used to add extra information about a noun or pronoun, while you are used to express conditions and their results. And we both have different formats depending on the situation. For example, there are 0, first, second, and third conditional sentences, each with its own format and usage. Yes, and I can be either defining or non-defining, depending on whether they're necessary for the sentence meaning or not. By using us, our clients can create more sophisticated sentences that show their mastery of English grammar. I couldn't agree more. It seems like we have a lot in common, and we could really help our clients take their writing to the next level. And with that, the two grammar items continue their conversation, discussing their various formats, usages, and when and how to use them correctly. They both felt more confident and excited about the possibility of working together to help learners improve their writing skills.